Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tomi James in case you're new here. And if you're not new, thank you so very much for coming back to my channel today. So guys, we'll be making a Tfrontal wig cap today in this video. Firstly, I'm showing you that you should place your net correctly. You want to ensure that you're placing it at the right direction, so you do not just ruin the whole process. All right, the correct direction at which you ventilate. All right, so guys, the first thing I want to do is to measure my 13 inches as the normal frontal length. All right, but I'm going to cut 15 here just because you just want to cut extra, inches and all of that. So I just went on to mark the middle. Marking the middle is very important so you know what you're working with. What I did here is, first of all, measure the 2 inches that is in front, the extra wig net in front of our frontal. You can use 3 inches, you can use 4 inches, depending on what you have, what you're working with. All right, so that's the one we'll cut out after we've installed our wig. So what I'm doing now is marking out another 2 inches. It's a Tfrontal, so it's not a whole frontal. We just need the whole front to look like a frontal, and then the middle is going to be like the normal 2x4 closure. All right, so I'm going to mark out that 2 inches. Depending on what we are working with too, you can mark out more than that. All right, so I'm just trying to mark the 2 inches at the middle, that means the center. I'm just going to go with 2 inches. All right, for the middle. I hope you understand what I mean. You're going to get a very clear picture soon of what I'm doing. So you want to measure the length. You want everything to be just about that 13x6 frontal. I hope you understand what I mean. All right. So guys, after cutting it out, the next thing you want to do is to just trim it out. Just get on the measurement again, just to ensure that you have the right shape and size. All right, so that's basically what I'm doing here, trying to measure it, trying to ensure that I have all the inches correctly. This is very important, guys. So the first 2 inches I have at the front is the extra lace that we're going to cut off. The one after then is where we are going to ventilate, and then the T at that, the remaining part is the middle. All right, I hope that is self-explanatory or explained enough. All right, so that's just it basically. So you want to get your wig cap ready. This is how to place the wig cap. I have a video on that already. You want to check it out. This is really necessary. You know how to place your wig cap before you wig. Very important for every wig maker. Okay, so guys, I'm just trying to pin this down, get the exact center that I want it placed. All right, there's still lots of extra net here, and I'm going to show you how I cut them out very soon. All right, you just want to ensure that you measure everything at this point, because this is where everything matters. You understand? Like, you have the exact point, you have the exact middle and all of that. Okay, And so basically guys, I just went in to sew it down. All right, this part, this is just me being dramatic. Just sew it down properly, and that's it guys. We have a lot of excess lace here. I'm going to cut off. Guys, you want to ensure that your sewing is neat, because if it is not neat, the ventilation is, while ventilating, you're going to have issues. All right, so you want to just ventilate. So I'm just going to cut off the excess lace, and that's it guys. Really, you just want to get your inches correct. Just play around with your measuring tape very well, and that's it guys. We are done. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you learned a thing. If you did, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I'll see all of you wonderful people in my next video. Thank you. I love you. Bye.